Welcome to my full review of Wrike, a project management software that has gained significant popularity over the years. Wrike is known for its flexibility and variety of features that make it suitable for teams of all sizes. Whether you're working solo or with a large team, Wrike offers tools for task management, time tracking, and collaboration. When you first log into Wrike, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. It's designed to help you easily manage your projects and keep track of deadlines. The platform allows you to create projects, assign tasks, and monitor the progress of your team in real time. One of the standout features is the ability to customize your workflows. You can add custom fields to tasks, create personalized templates, and automate certain processes. Wrike's task management is robust, offering various views like list, board, Gantt chart, and calendar. These options help you visualize your projects in the way that makes the most sense for your team. The Gantt chart is particularly useful for tracking timelines and dependencies, while the board view is great for teams that prefer a more agile approach. You could also set up task priorities and deadlines to ensure that everyone stays on track. Another highlight is Wrike's time tracking feature, which lets you track how long each task takes to complete. This is especially useful for teams that need to log hours or invoice clients based on time spent. Wrike integrates with popular time tracking tools, which helps streamline the process even further. When it comes to team collaboration, Wrike excels with its real-time updates and notifications. You can comment directly on tasks, mention team members, and even attach files. Wrike also integrates with other popular software like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, which makes it easy to share documents and communicate with your team. Many useful links can be found in the description. Be sure to check those out after watching the video to explore additional resources that may help you further with your project management needs. As for pricing, Wrike offers a free version for small teams with basic features. For larger teams or more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. Pricing is based on the number of users and the features you need, which is something to keep in mind when considering Wrike for your team. In terms of drawbacks, the learning curve can be a bit steep for new users, especially if you're unfamiliar with project management tools. However, Wrike provides tutorials and customer support to help you get up to speed quickly. Additionally, while Wrike offers a lot of customization options, some users may find the interface a bit overwhelming at first. Overall, Wrike is a solid choice for teams looking for a powerful, flexible project management tool. Its robust features, user-friendly interface, and collaboration tools make it a great option for both small businesses and large enterprises. If you're interested in Wrike, I highly recommend trying out their free version to see if it fits your team's needs. And don't forget to check the description for useful links related to project management resources. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.